Halaxy integrates with Tyro Health so you can process quick and easy private health insurance rebates right from your Halaxy invoice without the need for an FPOS terminal. Your patient gets an SMS to authorize the transaction on the spot, and within 1 business day, you receive payment from the insurer. All major health insurance providers in Australia are supported. Processing a claim on Halaxy costs 1 credit and takes just seconds. To use Tyro Health, you'll first need to sign up for an account at tyrohealth.com. Once you're registered, on the left panel, click Business Settings, then click the API Keys tab. On this screen, click Generate a new key, then click the Copy Key button. Now, in Halaxy, click Settings, then Integrations. Next to Tyro Health Online, click Add API Key. In the pop-up, select whether you are enabling Tyro Health claiming for your entire practice group, one of your locations, or individual practitioners. Paste the API key you copied from Tyro Health, then add a description for your records. When you're ready, click Save. You've now integrated Tyro Health into Halaxy. Whenever you use a private fee on an invoice, you'll now see the Tyro Online button. The next step is to set up your private fees. On the sidebar, click Finances, then Fees. On the top right, click New Fee. For funder, select Private. Enter the fee name and set the item number to an eligible Tyro Health item number. You'll find a list of item numbers in the Tyro Health support website. You'll also have to set your pricing and the rebate amount paid by the insurer. If you're not sure what the insurer will pay, make it equal to the total fee. When you process the rebate, Tyro Health will find the correct rebate based on the item number and charge a gap fee if required. Don't forget to click Save Fee. Next, you'll need to enter your provider number in the Identifications page. Even if you've previously entered your provider number for the Medicare funder, you'll still need to enter your provider number for the private funder. Make sure this is the same provider number you registered in Tyro Health when you signed up. Now you are all set. All you need to do is add your private fee to an appointment or invoice and click the Tyro Online button on the invoice. In the pop-up, review the claim, then click Process. A Tyro Health confirmation pop-up appears where you can review the details. Click Continue to Payment, and your patient will receive an SMS taking them to a link to approve the claim. After your patient taps Approve, the claim will be submitted for processing. If there is a gap fee, your patient will also be asked to pay with some options provided. They can pay by credit card or Google Pay, but note that payments outside of Halaxy may incur different processing fees. For more details on this, please contact Tyro Health. Your patient may also choose to pay through Halaxy by selecting In Person. You can then click Process Now on the invoice to charge for the gap fee. After payment for the gap amount is finalized, your patient receives a receipt and the invoice is automatically updated in Halaxy. You receive payment the following business day. You can view the Tyro Health statement by clicking View Statement, as well as a claim history by clicking the Claim Status link on the invoice. You can also log into your Tyro Health account to access remittance advice and to refund the payment if required. With Halaxy and Tyro Health, processing private health insurance rebates for your patients is fast, simple, and painless.